Question 21. Describe a situation where you had to adapt to a significant change. This question is being asked to assess how well you adapt to change. Now, change is vital for all businesses and organizations to survive, and they must employ people who embrace change positively. So, give a situation where you have the previous employer implement change. Now, this could be changes to your working practices or even supporting a new manager. Here is a great answer. Describe a situation where you had to adapt a significant change. In my last job role, a new manager took over the running of our department. They wanted to change several working practices, which several team members objected to. However, I understand that the change is essential for a company to become the market leader. So I listened to the manager's ideas, asked what I could do to support them, and then encourage others in the team to do the same. The changes were implemented and they had a significant positive impact on the team's productivity and morale. So that level answer tells the hiring manager you are somebody who understands the importance of change and you will help the company implement it.